Okay. We're going to have to work as a team. Ready? 1, 2, 3. More?
Yeah, that looks pretty good.
Okay. Now let's try to move it forward again. Yes, sir. Like this? Up. Got it.
Back up the roll needs to be as close to the wall as you can get it.
To the Skytrax way?
Yeah.
How's that? That's butted. There we go.
Oh, yeah.
You want to go?
Why not? Why not let it?
Seems like it's balanced.
I was going to say it has tension on it. Yeah, go ahead. So this worked out really well yesterday, turning it diagonal in order to get it in there, and then resting it on the scissor lifts and letting the scissor lifts take it the rest of the way up. Ready, guys? And then I'm going to keep my forks on it until they get it up on their brackets and get it fully secured. Know that on these connections, they are directional. So you can look inside here and see the nice smooth surface. That is up. You do not want to do this up because you can see that connection. So these are directional. Everything, of course, comes with the protection coat. You just want to peel that off before assembling it. When we were going through and installing the gutter that hangs on the roof, at that point, we cut the X's where every single one of the downspouts was marked. So now, at this point, when we go to hang this downspout, we can just bend those triangles down, and that's where we need to install it. I definitely recommend doing that on the ground. For the connections on gutters, we're using rivets instead of screws. You can use screws if you don't have a rivet, but these are really cheap tools. I would recommend it. They're lower profile to where less stuff is going to get stuck on them, like leaves or pollen. I don't know what those things are called. Gunk. Less gunk can get stuck on it. And then also screws have a tendency to back out over time, whereas rivets won't. Then for attaching it, we have these straps. You want to pre-drill your hole and then pop in the rivet. There it is. There you go.